Mo ede bonus here no on the matter and so financial crimes be on fraud any financial loss to the state and have money laundering near the dibia ya tete say I say any name in that regard. But Nana, I mentioned say we want me when you be a sebi ebia obi to me I escape and answer obi dwane free country more people are yes it's good. I mean so man feedback no that was I think Wyoming 52 as you said and or say Professor Edubuahin or non so one Edubuahin Chairman Kwabena Edubuahin 120 million
MPP they are being hypocritical in this matter. Nana is straightforward. Akokwa background of the man and no under MPP NDC time Edubuahin National Signals Bureau boss no ni bewa ya de to no so no na ye 120 nana me the link na ma Jeff what did the Edubuahin lawyers do ya de 120 ni to no so muntimi ntua no they went to the High Court. There's a remedy in the law because the framers of the law know who say police ni ana investigative institution no bet medicine and na no what I say. So in the law there's a remedy. Omodeni call 129 and I won Edubuahin's 120 million bail sum reduced to 80 million. Court restricts couples movement.
Yeah.
So there's a remedy in the law. Na na me catch me wo fa we kira ma me fa kire nkom o mana Nana no mu na asuro no so bi beka se we nti omo fa mo awuntumi eno ana ekoso nana that's the truth. Professor Meyako fini bail no na 10 million Kennedy ne ko gina mu ma no. In fact, they are papa ne call no fi we trash kra mom de ne ko UGMC Kennedy Agyapong ne ko gina mu tua ne bail man. Na ne to meso metua awuntumi bail na so mu suro mo ho. Ya beka se papa we. There's a remedy in the law. Why is 2 days ni? Say na kokwa kan na I'm told 2 days on the court. Why is the lawyers for
over 48 hours?
That's Godfrey Yabo Adame, former MP Asante Achimago Gonabo and the appeal. I didn't know more fan call High Court. Say, Billionaire EOCO they are 2 year clients in the sono. Ridiculous. Not then the court will hear the matter because anonymous. Osha charges are Justice Ramsay, Deputy Attorney General, Omudebo won't me because then I see sometimes the bill is also has a connection of charge at a bone. Now in the case of Professor Meyako maybe my secret information be unum say CEO no solama samana na nsa asate no am check no guso police custody onya ni be osika no sir what to say omakoye sit down omakoye demonstration just google Solomon Asamoah CEO for GIF no ono ogusu wo mo because o meeting the bail conditions but Professor Meyako no Kennedy ko gina mu bail no enti ehwehwe ni mu no mo ye no. Because even in this government, there's a process. I mean, can't say I'm not talking about that. Say no more ya na say nye. No matter say ya na enya no. Mumu obi 120. Court it me to so by 80. And that na move for the same route no. And court Wontumi dey. Na Wontumi charge am the bond na tea. Almost a fraud. Causing financial loss to the money laundering. Now these are serious matters. Niemi hu kura na me kan say no ama mo share me private channel me kan say na me me tete say Wontumi e ba won beza no beto no ko na omo betwe na bo so pa omo say second investigation kro mo ye no e won international organized crime link na so am kire say Wontumi djubadie ni bi na international organization bi kaso bom nyema bi wom na enti so mu freeze Wontumi property say bia no atonton bi ni ade. So nana they are angry minim nento omoye sa ade we nyina omo mwa papa no ida so omo suro omo so meka say we down we car we anaze bibia kwa in this same government ye mo be 120 me logical me free ban no me I have an issue with how national security does this in Saturday me jina akai me stands on this matter so obi adi jurima e me enye bukata say ye gudigidi da bi how you go about it is important because one you careful and these were appointees ene everybody boni bi otina bi ye de be ya mo be transfer kasa ana me nsu de minemu na na janto na emu bro na obefre mo mi memu bi se nkomo na eja di ko 2028 to da ban be sesen bi e boma me nka bi ewu because mo no muntia futuo tintin tirintisem na but I'm saying say ye mo bi yete million na na ate say afenoma ke NPP Parliament ko Edubuahin wo UTB ne lawyer attach ya court na nanim we a politician afa we suan de na na afenoma ke kodu o ya wo say MPP MPs will sleep at EOCO until Wontumi's release. My 11 p.m. picture no.
Omuka so mbeda ho.
Emi ayi Wontumi. Na na ebo 11 na he obi eni ho. Into otumi a na da bia metena me kan power is transient. Na na ogugbegbe ni nyina no eye waban na wo so tumi omuni so anyo obia. Na na no ahe de na ye gofre ye bo adame woko. Obeka so nyo obia. Former Attorney General. It's man, Yamodi Yamu Abemuno, and some Musuan lesson be. You need to accord all of yourselves, some mutual respect to be. And then I made an Afanama and politics, any theatrics, Sana Mimihuno. There's a remedy in the law. Say only 50 million, but under this same NDC government, Yahu president. Say bill no ojidum se entosumua. You go to the high court, you apply to the judge, say judge near the yame kan entosum na judge na tie kodu boy sa na see minim se Wontumi na se na number so man sa se na
ante anwumani ni
na ani ni
obi ana ho
yes e beda ma de achi e bo levia na woni na nim me kan MPP doesn't want to help Wontumi na no mu ye near theatrics. And I was down for Poyando Minus on the video now. Also, Tom Munya Capre. Munya Capre. The Poyando say, why isn't the jeans be a good damn? Will be a number and send no. And then I mean, who I say, Wontumi who he and on Bessie be a mobile buano. Nana Sana Mimi because my mom president Chese Nana umbet me aye, umbet me a cocoa, quiet added. Nana needs to make us 3 days ago. Wontumi channel matching an A2. Fetch no mo che no CID and I galamsey or share invitation document na. Second one, I was sitting slowly to say it because until the lawyer confirm me numero no say it's in connection with Exim Bank. So even if the lawyer knew that an Exim Bank now your charges say related to say why didn't he start the court processes earlier? Because na tiasema make you there's a remedy in the law. Maintias in inter want to ask an answer be so be okwadama maintain no mo ye na say. They are not helping the gent 50 million before some just only 50 million. And then again, we are this in no jubilee here. Maka and I that bay 30th May. One day, then this in trap one check. Nyamuye, it will come back. Some people for you be an na air can. No more ye, yene, which will transform with you. A phenomenon you at the form. Power, a transient. When you're to me now, you'll be ye bibia. Ye nana na Wontumi opie so a onhwe yie nana me hu sa de o me na hisam wom e bi Wontumi kan che publicly ma nana hisam ewom and hisam because nana me say Solomon asam agusu dam Professor Maya kofie edubu ahini ne yete so 40 million
Jom kokoti bi ometimi
zero no mon kokot nana yanyi hu yi asama me de ama we menko achiro menko fa pass strom edubu ahini the last month ya ni siye 120 no mama evidence my John like 2/80 today na Wontumi de enfa ne kokot nko ye bi ma no na MPP for na hisam bi wom o monka
tia Wontumi hu ye o mahi
tia kwasinti nkomo na wo di no akwasinti nkomo na wo di na hisam bi wom tie Kennedy na nya Kennedy ne kokasa MPs ne bai
eyem wawampo
na ote Kennedy ko no kokanya se hwehwe ni mu na mo ye no atofo si mu tu gira na chimen kasa sa ade ne ye so mo boycott no but Kennedy kasa no it spoke to omo conscience omo nya gi akire di ekọ no nana hisem bo wo do betu ne hofo na yi go do TV so ni ade ye kan inu nana so omo nyom se jamane no omo wen 11 no obi ekofie obi aye refre masa brafie sei unzo omo nyina ekofie wo power ene ma nya tumi a mudi gira manfo so no kan hu se tumi na ntra woda
NDC for ni de omani GH no
yes
omani
and nana on say options that wo like self recognition bill no and crowd ya yabobod atwagu yempese ye ka ho asem because one ebia it will be favor so me no one thing about ade amete fa Wontumi ho in the Galamsey documentary near the anamani about him. But let's look at reality. The processes are investigative body the normally firm. That is what we are concerned about. Say Article 14 which say it should be a reasonable the only reasonable terms of bill. And yet said ye ebi anipa ne hu ahi keke said ye Eugene kasa ase ne ho akoye ahi ebi a womanfo pena asem ne adentina ebi a ye de sai sika no bebrebe beto no so anase be but I will say Wontumi is not somebody who can run away. Wontumi is not somebody who can run away.
Yeah.
And he will be appearing before the court. Say omuka so omre. Any bebre ewo ho. Enti I think say
radio station.
Emomo nye no ahani radios normal bebre wo ho. So I think say emomo nye no so much as if say ebema enya political tone. Ne mum ne yema enye te say ye de ne efa emra kwan so eye so clear with yina enko